Welcome back to my channel. So in this video we will see Google launches their own IDE so we can use it, and this look impressive. If you want to read more about this, I will leave a link in the description. But how to use it, just click on this URL antigravity.google and click on download for Windows. I'm using Windows, and just click on this one and download will be started, and you can see download started. I have already downloaded it and installed it. I will not download and install it again. So I will show you what I build using this. I build a Adobe Illustrator extension. So I have integrated the Google Nano Banana API, so we can generate images in Adobe Illustrator. We don't need to go outside of it. I am using free version of Adobe Illustrator. That's why. Well, let me show you what I did. Adobe. I am using 2024 version and it's free version. Let's wait for it. The first impression was this. It's great. If you want, I will teach you how to develop a Adobe Illustrator plugin from scratch. But in this video, I don't want to waste your time. I just want to let you know what anti-gravity can do and how you can use this to make money. Let's create a simple new document. This is our document. Let me hide this artboard so we can see hide artboard so we can see full screen. Now when I click here, this is the extension I have developed using anti-gravity. Now what it can do, it can see our full uh, artboard. It can generate image for us and it can generate color palettes for us. So let me show you simple quick thing. Generate image, generate a ministry logo design, send. And you can see our image is generated. Now what we can do as a graphic designer, we can just trace this image and we can use this in our design. Now I will show you another very best way of using this. If you go to 99 designs / contests, now here you will see a lot of logo design competitions. Let's choose anyone. Let's choose this one. And now you can just copy this till here, come here, click on this, create new, just delete this and paste it here. I need 3 logo concepts for the below logo so I can recreate in Illustrator. Do not create logo. I just need design concepts and just paste it here. And if anything else is here, and we can have also other nodes, we can just copy this. If you want, you can also add images, but we will not use images. It's here and this, and just send. And now see the magic. It will take some time, so till then let wait for it. You can see our logos are generated and paste into the canvas. Now we can minimize this. This is our first logo, this is second, and this is third. Now you can trace then. Now you can trace all the logos and you can build it from the scratch. Now if I want to trace this, I can trace this using pen tool easily. Now let me show you another things. You can also analyze artboard or color palettes. Let me click this. It will capture artboard. Now you can ask question about this. Suggest me best color palettes. Again, it will take some time. My internet connection is a little bit slow, so that's why. If you are on great connection, there's no problem. And you can see we get our new color palettes. Let me make it small. Let me put it here. Now I will select this and I will say uh, analyze selection. Okay. Now you can ask question about this. Give me new version of it, but it should be more minimalistic. You can also select any item and you can change your anything with it. And you can see now we got new version of it here. And these are the color palettes we designed before. Now let me rearrange them all. And you can see how easily we can generate images now in Adobe Illustrator. And also you can ask for suggestions. You can just click on suggestion. Okay, it is not seeing it. Now you can again select it, and that's it, no problem. Now you can select all and you can delete them. Now generate a logo concept for rice. And you can see our logo is done. Now you can trace it easily and you can use it. If you want, I will give you the link for this so you can use it